Hey everybody, my name is Karina. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious Espagueti Blanco or Mexican white spaghetti. This is a super easy recipe that can be made in just under 30 minutes. So if you wanna see how I make it, keep watching. We're gonna begin by cooking our spaghetti. I set my pot with 4 quarts of water. Water is now boiling. I'm gonna add some salt and some oil. I'm adding 12 ounces of spaghetti pasta. And we cook for about 10 to 11 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, our pasta is ready, but before I drain it, I'm gonna reserve half a cup of pasta water. Now I'm gonna prepare the sauce. I'm gonna be using 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of table cream, 4 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of the pasta water that we saved, and here I have half a teaspoon of garlic salt and 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. And now we blend. I set my pan on medium heat with some oil, and I'm also gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. Butter is now melted. I'm gonna add half of a small white onion and we fry for about a minute. Now we add 8 ounces of ham. Give it a mix, and I'm also gonna add 1 minced garlic clove. Continue frying for about 2 minutes. It's been 3 minutes and now we're gonna add the salsa. We mix and then we add 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese, or you can use your favorite melting cheese. Mix it well and let it simmer for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, now we add in the spaghetti. Mix it all in and make sure the spaghetti is covered in salsa. We continue simmering for another 5 minutes. Okay, it's ready, and I'm gonna serve myself a plate, and look at it. It looks so delicious. Okay, now I'm gonna top it off with some queso fresco and some scallions, cebollita verde. My mouth is watering. Okay guys, moment of truth. Cheers. It's so good, guys. Super creamy. And the ham gives it like a little crunch. So it's just perfect. And it's ready in like 30 minutes. So it's super quick and easy and delicious. And there you have it, delicious Espagueti Blanco or Mexican white spaghetti. All right guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.